Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, it's a beautiful modern cake with neutral colors. If you guys want to see how I made this, we'll keep on watching. So this cake was a 6-inch cake. I did numerous tiers. I stacked them together with buttercream, but you can use ganache, you can use a Swiss meringue buttercream, no problem whatsoever. What I did is I stacked them together, did my crumb coat. Crumb coat means you're sealing your crumbs. So I did my crumb coat first, pop it in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes so that the buttercream hardens a little bit, and then you can go ahead and do your second coat of buttercream. Once I did that, I did all my colors. I chose to go with some darker browns, lighter browns, and even some like almost like black. And basically what you do is just you start by the bottom, and then with your spatula you just bring the buttercream at the top. So you do that like that, and then you get that nice like effect. It almost looks like flames almost. So, and that is basically it for that. And then what I did is that I used edible metallic paint, and I diluted with vodka, but if you don't trust this process, you can also dilute it with lemon extract, and then you just mix it up, and then you basically create that splash with a painting brush. So yeah, so you create that splash, and then you get that look. So what I did is that I added the name in the front, but you don't have to. You can actually leave it the way it is. It's really beautiful the way it is. You can add flowers or chocolate spheres, but I just wanted to add the name in the front. I like that new trend, you know, a lot of cakes it's at the top, but now the new trend is the name is in the front of the cake. So I really like that. I find that it's very sharp. And then finish the look with a happy birthday on the corner. That was it. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.